So here is question number 11. Simplify. It's B part. 14 upon 15 plus 11 upon 15 plus 1 whole 1 upon 15. Okay. So we have to add them because here is plus sign. Okay. So 14 upon 15 as it is, 11 upon 15 as it is, and to this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. 15 1 the 15 and 1 16. We have to multiply these two and add here. Okay. So 16 upon 15. As you are able to see that in the denominator everywhere there is 15. So LCM is also 15. This 14, 11 and 16 they will be as it is. The reason is that this 15 divided by 15 1 and the multiply of 1 in 14 here. So 14 1 the 14. This 15 divided by 15 1. So 1 multiply here. 11 1 the 11. Same here. Okay. Now add all these 14, 11 and 16. It gives 41 and the denominator upon 15. Now convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. Now just see. Now question number 11, E part. Here these are just given to us in mixed fraction. First of all we need to convert them into improper fraction. So multiply of these and add the upper one numerator here. Also okay. Here also multiply and then add. Okay. So now as you are able to see the denominator is same. So here 19 is only the same. LCM this 354 plus 455 and then minus 299. These both are of plus sign. They are being added here. Then minus 299. After subtraction we are getting 510 upon 19. Now convert this into mixed fraction. Now here is question number 12, A part. 15 plus 4 whole 1 upon 4. Okay. So how to do this? Consider this 15 as 15 upon 1 plus sign as it is. Convert this into improper fraction. 4 4 the 16 and 1 17. 17 upon 4. So now take the LCM of 1 and 4. So LCM of 1 and 4 is 4 only. Okay. Divide this 4 by 1. So it comes 4. Multiply of 4 in 15. 15 for the 60 here. Then here by this 4 divide this 4, it gives 1. So multiply of 1 here. 17 1 the 17. Add both of them upon 4. Convert into mixed fraction. Same in the C part. Question number 13, A part. So they are given to us in mixed fraction. First of all we need to convert them into improper fraction. 5 1 the 5 and 2 7. 7 upon 5. 4 3 the 12. 12 and 1 13. 13 upon 4 and plus sign as it is. Then this 7 upon 10 as it is. Now we need to take the LCM of 5, 4 and 10. So the LCM is 20. Now this 20 divided by 5. So 5 4 the 20. It gives 4. Multiply of 4 in 7. 7 4 the 28 here. Okay. Now this 20 divided by 4. It gives us 5. So multiply of 5 in 13. 13 5 the 65. Then 20 divided by 10. It gives us 2. Multiply of 2 in 7. 7 to the 14. Add these upper one. It gives 100. So now just convert this into improper fraction. Same case in question number 14. The difference is only that here is minus sign. So there is no problem. If minus sign is there, so we'll subtract that. Okay. So first of all we need to convert them into improper fraction. Okay. They are converted into improper fraction. Now here the denominators are different. 24, 36 and 16. We need to find out the LCM. So the LCM is 144. Okay. So 144 divided by 24. It gives us 6. So 77 multiplied by 6. Minus sign as it is. 36 divides this 144. It gives us 4. And of this 4 multiply with 43. Then this 144 divided by 16. It gives us 9. Okay. Of 9 multiply with 11. Okay. Then multiply here. Then minus sign. Multiply. Plus sign. Multiply. Solve this. Because from here we can subtract. And this 99 as it is. You can just subtract or add according to your need. Okay. That first of all you can add them. Then you may subtract this. Or directly from 462 you can subtract first of all 172. You are getting 290. And then add 99. Okay. Here 389 upon 144. And after converting it into mixed fraction we are getting 2 whole 101 upon 144. Now question number 15, A part. So here is mixed fraction. We have converted this into improper fraction. Now here you are able to see this bracket. This bracket means that first of all we have to solve this thing only. Whatever is just in the bracket we have to solve a sign as it is. Okay, convert this into improper fraction. Improper fraction, the LCM of 10 and 2 is 10 only. Okay, then 10 divided by 10, it gives us 1. The multiply of 1 with 43. Okay, then 10 divided by 2, it gives us 5. Multiply of 5 with 3. Okay, so here we are getting 43 minus 15. Then this goes same as it is, 31 upon 5. Okay, subtract here 28 upon 10. Then again we have to take the LCM. Now divide this 10 by 5. Okay, 5 to the 10. Multiply of 2 with 31. Then this 10 divides this 10, 1. So 28 multiplied by 1. So here we are getting 62 minus 28 upon 10. Okay, this gives us 34 upon 10, or in mixed fraction we can write it 3 whole 4 upon 10.